Welcome back. In this session we're going to look at calculating a payment, and there might come a time when you need to buy a piece of machinery, a car, a house, what have you, and you'll need to calculate the payments. So let's work this problem. You want to buy a new car. The car you want to buy costs $15,000 and you save $2,000 for a down payment. You went to your credit union and negotiated a rate of 10% to buy the car with a term of 5 years. What amount will you pay monthly based on this information? Okay, so what we have is a problem, and we're going to use Excel to calculate the payment. So we're going to open up our function box and find, it's a financial formula, so if you put financial in, you should be able to find payment. If you scroll down, and these are in alphabetical order, and there you go, PMT is payment, and you click OK, and it opens your function box. And we're going to put in, let me slide this down, we're going to put in the rate, which in this case we negotiated a rate of 10%, so let's put that in. And the term is 5 years. Okay, so we have to divide the 10% to get the monthly payments. So we're going to divide by 12, and that gives us a monthly rate of 0.00833. Okay, the number of periods that we're going to pay for this car is 5 years, and then we have 12 months in a year, so that gives us 60 payments. And we also know the car costs $15,000, so if we put that in as a negative, that's out of our pocket. However, we have $2,000 to put down. So if we put down $2,000, we can calculate our payment of $276.21. And if we click OK, it comes up here. Okay, now we have a timeline down here, and so what we're doing is actually within each year here, each one of these little dashes is a year. There'll be 12 payments in that year, and on each of the 12 periods in between each year, you'll have a payment of $276.21. So what does that mean? Okay, what it means is you've got a series of equal payments over 60 months. And anytime you have a series of equal payments, it's called an annuity. So what you're really doing in this Excel formula is you're calculating the present value of an annuity for 60 months. And then you're dividing that into the present value to figure out what the monthly payments are going to be to amortize the loan. So that's what we've done here. And we'll see you in the next slide.